Part 2 of Nicolas Poussin's painting, The Shepherds of Arcadia. And we shall go into the painting in a slightly more detail to give the reader more insight into this work. Here we have once again the female representing Cancer, the youth representing Mars, and he's holding a staff that represents the descendant on the zodiac at the moment of man's illumination. Here he is pointing along with a man to a shadowed area that forms a crescent on the tomb itself, and this man has his legs in the position of the ideograph for Jupiter, and next to him is a man standing who has his legs in the position of the ideograph of Saturn. He holds a staff in the air, and this position equates to the zodiac of the division between Virgo and Libra. Here, this is the division in the zodiac between Virgo and Libra. This man here also holds a staff, and this is the division in the zodiac between Leo and Virgo here, and the youth that holds the staff is the division in the zodiac between Cancer and Leo. And we shall reveal these positions here. This is the zodiac at the moment of illumination. Here we have Mars, the youth in Leo. This is the position, this line here, of the descendant in Leo. This is where the youth places the staff. Below him we have Cancer, the woman, the female sign ruled by the moon. Here we have the moon shown in the painting where the two men, the youth and the man, points to a shaded area in the form of a crescent on the tomb. The moon is in Leo at the moment of enlightenment. Here we have the position of Jupiter, and its ideograph is in the shape of the man's legs. And the man holds a staff, and this is the division between Leo and Virgo, shown here. And here we have Saturn, the fourth man standing with his legs crossed in the shape of the ideograph of Saturn in Virgo, and he holds a staff, and this is the division between Virgo and Libra, shown here. So there's his staff here, and this is the Shepherds of Arcadia that reveals the cosmos at the moment of man's illumination. And the tomb itself actually represents death, and the men are intrigued about this tomb, this stone tomb. And this tomb can also represent the Great Pyramid, for within that building we also find these luminaries positioned in this order. Once again, we see how ancient knowledge has filtered through our civilization. This object here is the North Node and isn't shown, but it's the position of the moon as it hits the ecliptic of the sun in the north. This ends the second part of Poussin, and he's painting the Shepherds of Arcadia.